Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I would like to welcome you to my Luxury Closet 529, a place where not everything is luxurious, but a lot of it is luxurious to me, and here I like to share some of those luxuries with you. We will cover topics like handbags and jewelry and fashion and vacations when I get to go on them. And today I have a little bit of handbag stuff and just a teeny bit of jewelry stuff, just because I know about a sale that's going on that's really good, and I want to make sure to pass that along. So the jewelry part is the necklace that I'm wearing. It is Kendra Scott. It is the Diamond Eliza. I actually have this necklace in all three metals: white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold. And I love, love, love it. Now, once a year for your birthday, you can get 50% off a piece of Kendra Scott fashion jewelry or 25% off a piece of the fine jewelry. And right now, this is Sunday after Black Friday, but before Cyber Monday, she has 25% off her fine jewelry and 35% off her fashion jewelry. So I'm going to link Kendra Scott down below. I'll link this particular pendant. I love this. It is on, I think it's on the longest length right now, but it's the perfect necklace to layer with or to wear on its own if you've got kind of a higher neckline like I do. I'm wearing my Taylor Swift inspired pink era top, which is sort of like a breast cancer awareness top since it has these ribbons down there. Anyhow, I thought I would share that with you because if you're looking for a great gift, these necklaces are normally $1,200 and they're $900 right now. And they're 14 karat gold, and the diamonds, I believe, are SI1 or SI2 or higher. They're super white and super sparkly, and it makes a great gift or just something fun to buy for yourself where you don't have to wait for your birthday to get the discount. Now, I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing for you, and I bought this pretty much right after I said I wasn't going to buy anything else that was big. And this isn't big. This is a small thing, but it is going to pack a punch. And I cannot wait to show you what it looks like on two of the bags that I have at my feet. So without further ado, let's find out what Louis Vuitton item I picked up. I was scrolling through the Facebook groups and I found a reseller there that had this listed, and she sells a lot. I totally trust her as far as authenticity goes. I believe that this piece came originally with a camera box bag that is very expensive, and I don't know if she had the bag and then she separated it from the chain, or if she bought the chain off somebody who didn't want it. But this is the most fabulous silver chain. I mean, look at that. You see the detail? The flowers, two different floral pieces that Louis Vuitton has in its monogram are alternating throughout this chain. It does have some weight to it, and I have tried it on, and it's super comfortable on the shoulder. I think it's around 26 inches long, which is a great shoulder drop. I just so happen to have two of the Louis Vuitton Busey bags, and I went ahead and put on the long strap on my quartz one. I thought this one looked best with my outfit. The other one I have is in blue. Now this chain is pretty wide and flat as far as chains go. You can see the back side of it is hollowed out a little bit, which helps with the weight. So there's a definite front side and back side. With the swivel, you can easily adjust it on your shoulder, no problem. And I could either wear it crossbody with the chain dangling, and it is long enough, it's not going to bang against the enamel plate, which is something I worry about on the Busey bag. I'm going to try it on real quick and show it to you wearing it crossbody, and then I will try it on as a shoulder strap. My sweatsuit today is by a brand that Nordstrom offers called Zella, and I absolutely love this brand of activewear. It is so soft and so comfy. But doesn't this bag look cute with the chain dangling from it like that? I really think it amps it up a notch. Now for a night out, I think I would just completely remove the long strap and wear it like this on the shoulder. It really does hit at the perfect spot. And since the chain is flat, it is pretty darn comfortable. I don't know that I'd wear it with a tank top, but with a blazer or sweater, it's absolutely perfect. So that's the first bag I wanted to show the chain with. And I'm going to go ahead and detach it and show it to you with another bag that is going to look fabulous. So this is the Paris 15 by Dress Up Your Purse in the black with the silver hardware. And it is very similar to the Louis Vuitton Pochette Métis, but improved in my opinion. And if you want to pick one of these up, you can get them through pre-order on the Dress Up Your Purse website. I will link it down below. I have a discount code. It's MLC15 for 15% off. But these are fabulous bags. The leather is incredible. And because they do resemble the Pochette Métis, I do like pairing them with chains and accessories that are Louis Vuitton. And this chain is one that I picked up on Etsy a long time ago. It's got kind of the Louis Vuitton flowers on it. They're not done super well. They're kind of a little bit blurry in the stamping, but I do think it looks amazing as an accent chain, but it's too short to be a shoulder chain. When I got it, it was much longer, and I actually shortened it myself. And so that part's my fault, but I do like to wear this bag primarily crossbody, and so the chain is really just for decoration. Now this Louis Vuitton chain, there is absolutely no way I'm cutting links out of it. It is the way it is, and so it is a long dangling chain if I'm going to wear this bag crossbody. But what this chain lets me do is really make a statement if I want to wear this bag on the shoulder. I think it is quite nice crossbody with the chain dangling like this. It's a little longer, but most of the time when Louis Vuitton pairs chains with bags, they tend to make them too long, in my opinion. I think that it's a style thing. And so for me, I prefer my decorative chains to be more like, oh, about that long. But when Louis does them, they do them really long. Pretty much all the ones I've seen, except for the one on my Boulogne bag, which is right here, have dropped well below the bottom of the bag. Most people do not wear the Pochette Métis or the Paris 15 on the shoulder, but I think it's an amazing bag on the shoulder if you like to wear your bags that way. And a chain like this really allows that to happen, and it is extremely comfortable. You see that? It just fits under the arm every bit as well as the Busey. It doesn't jet out as far. It is very comfortable this way. So if you like to have a crossbody moment with a shoulder moment at the ready, you can definitely combine a longer chain with the Paris 15 or with the Pochette Métis, whichever you prefer, and increase your options for how you want to wear your bag. For me, I'm going to stick to wearing my Paris 15 bags crossbody, and so I like the chains to be more around this length. But the Busey bag is another story altogether. I really prefer to wear this bag on the shoulder, so having this fancy way to wear it is like chef's kiss perfect. I think I say that in most every video I do, but I really like how that va-va-vooms up this bag and gives it that extra bit of something to make it feel even more special. So I think that will do it. This video is sort of short and sweet, but I've been putting out some longer ones lately, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of an item I found for a fabulous price. Price I paid for this was about $230, and I think if you had that camera box bag and if you ordered this chain as a spare part with Louis Vuitton, that it would probably be every bit of $230, if not more. I think someone checked for me once about the Cousin chain strap, and I think it was $395. So I don't know what this one would work out to be. The chain strap on my Boulogne bag that I just showed you, as well as the mini bum bag, those you can buy as a Louis Vuitton spare part for $100. Now you can only order spare parts from Louis Vuitton if you have that bag in your possession, and they will ask for pictures if you contact them through email and request to purchase a spare part, and they sometimes will even want to FaceTime you to prove that you have that bag in your collection. So you can't just call up Louis Vuitton and order spare parts, and that's why if I come across one on one of the Facebook groups that really catches my fancy, like this one did, I tend to jump on it, because if you know me, you know I like straps, charms, and all the ways to dress up my bags. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. My name there's the same. It's the @ then myluxurycloset529, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.